Creating a sitemap in WordPress is pretty easy process, and here's how to do it. First of all, log into your WordPress admin dashboard and then go to add new plugin page, and here we have to search for Yoast SEO plugin. So all you have to need install and activate this Yoast SEO plugin in your WordPress. Once you've successfully activated Yoast SEO plugin, it's mean a sitemap already created for your WordPress website. Now to see your sitemap, open your WordPress website in a new tab, and after your website name give a slash and type sitemap.xml, and then you directly jump into your WordPress website sitemap. So here's my sitemap and generated by Yoast SEO. So that's how we can create sitemap for our WordPress website. Now you can go ahead and add your sitemap in Google Search Console. Thanks for watching.